Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to read our new Oxford Primary Science book level 3. Okay, as we have done the reading of half of our chapter, the unit number 1 human body. Today we are going to do the remaining portion. Okay, so the very first topic today is the systems of the body. Okay, so we were talking about human body, and in a human body we have got a lots of organs, and these organs combine to form a system. Okay, so what do we have here? The organs in the other parts of the body form different systems. Okay, so what is the first system we are going to go through? The skeletal system. Okay, you must be aware of the skeleton. Okay, so the human body has a framework of bones called the skeletal system. All of you must have bones in your body, you can feel them. So all these bones combine together to form a framework. Okay, the frame of something, and it is called skeletal system. Okay, the bones of the body make up the skeleton. This is called a skeleton. Okay, all of us have got this skeleton within our body. The bones give the body a strong framework. Okay, the framework, a frame. Okay, have you seen some frame? We have seen a lots of frame made up of wood and then iron, rods. So our bones are kind of that rod or the wooden blocks which can form a framework. Okay, what is the function of the skeleton? They support the body and protect the parts inside. We have got different organs which are quite delicate and soft, and these organs need something to protect them, to support them. So our bones do that job. Here we have got skeleton. Take a closer look. First of all, we have got skull. Skull is in our head, and the skull protects our brain. The next is jawbone. Jawbone is around your cheeks. Okay, it gives the shape to your face. Here we have got arm. Okay, the whole arm, in which we have upper arm bone, lower arm bone, and then we have got finger bones. In my finger I have got bones. Okay, and here we have got ribs, rib cage. We used to call it rib cage. Have you seen? It's kind of a cage. Okay, so the ribs protects our heart and our lungs. Here we have got spine. Spine, we used to call it backbone as well. It not only supports us but also helps us to walk. So it is a very strong kind of bone. You cannot say that it's very strong. It's quite important because it helps to support your whole body. Okay, the next one we have got hip bone. Okay, hip bone. Here we have got a hip bone. Then we have got the leg, the whole leg, where we have thigh bone. Thigh bone is basically the strongest bone of the skeleton. Then we have got kneecap. Kneecap. Have you got knees? You can feel a cap-like structure. The knee is in the form of a cap, so we used to call it kneecap. And here we have got heel. You have got heel at the back portion of your foot. So heel, and then you have got toe bones. Okay, the finger-like structure of your foot is called toe. So in that toe we have got toe bones. All right, so here we have got the whole structure, and all these bones protect and give support to the organs. The next we have got the muscular system. Along with the skeletal system, the muscular system basically helps out, and these two systems help each other. Okay, and they give strength to our body, support to our body, and shape to our body. Okay, so here in the picture you can also observe that if this is the skeleton, this is these are all the muscles that are wrapped around these bones, and they form our muscular system. So let's read it. The muscles make up the muscular system. All the muscles in our body, they basically combine together and form a muscular system. This system works closely with the skeletal system, as I've told you that they work with the skeletal system and forms part of body's framework. Okay, so if we have got a framework, then bones are going to muscles are going to cover all these bones and make a proper body shape. Okay, muscles allow us to move different parts of our body. So different parts of our body moves due to these muscle mass. As you can see the structure over here, all this red portion, these are all muscles. Okay, move on to the next page. What do we have here? Okay, another very interesting system, the digestive system. What is a digestive system? As you know, we people eat food. That food goes in our body. Okay, then it comes out in the form of poop. Okay, the whole procedure is called digestion, and the system involved is called digestive system. The stomach and the channels through which food passes are called the digestive system. Stomach is the main part of the digestive system. Okay, and all the other channels related to it that help in the digestion of the food, these are called, they combine together to call digestive system. Starting from the mouth, okay, we have got mouth, we put a food in our mouth. Then we have got stomach and liver and different channels like intestine, small and large intestine. Okay, all these are combined together to form digestive system. All these channels through which our food passes. Okay, so here we have got mouth, and this is our food pipe. Have you seen it? This is our food pipe. Okay, and here we have got liver, a larger liver. Okay, and here is our cute little stomach. Okay, stomach. Then small intestine in the mid, and the large intestine over here. Okay, so food goes through all these organs, and then they excrete it out. Okay, so this is called our digestive system that helps to digest the food. The next we have got circulatory system. It is a very important system. It is related to the heart. Okay, and if the heart is included, then there must be blood as well. So we need proper a pipeline system where this blood can moves around. So for that, blood is pumped by the heart to all parts of the body. The blood circulates around the body through veins and arteries. So those pipes, they are quite delicate, they are so thin, and these are called veins and arteries. Okay, they takes blood from the heart and move it on all parts of the body and provide the blood to all parts of the body. Okay, so the heart and the veins and arteries, all these combine together to form a circulatory system. These along with heart make up the circulatory system. As you see over here, we have got a heart. Okay, in the mid we have got heart, and look at all these red and blue lines. Red lines are called arteries. They have got good blood. And veins, these are blue, and veins have got the bad blood. Inshallah, in the next class, you will learn about the system of these tubes and the function of these veins and arteries. For this class, you just need to know that what is this system called. Okay, so this is circulatory system having a heart and veins and arteries. You can see these are present in all parts of the body, brain to feet, in all the parts of the body. Okay, move on to the next. What we have here is respiratory system. Respiratory, as you know, the word respiratory tells us that the respire means to take in the air and breathe it out. So the breathing is basically the respiratory system. The respiratory system consists of the nose, the windpipe, and lungs. Okay, air is pulled into and pushed out of the body by this system. अगर आप as you can observe that if you used to breathe heavily just like this, so I am taking in air and then taking it out. So the function involves all these organs, like nose, I am taking in the air from my nose or my mouth as well sometime. Then it goes to the windpipe, as you can see. So from mouth and from nose, from both these organs you can take in the air, it goes into the windpipe, and then we have got lungs here. Okay, so all this system of respiration, to take in the oxygen, to breathe, is called respiratory system. In the lungs, oxygen is absorbed into the body. So what is the function of the lungs? That it provides oxygen to the body. Okay, so here we have got box of knowledge on the next page. Do you know, if the lungs were open, flat, they would cover the entire area of a tennis court. Have you seen a tennis court? It's quite big. So you can imagine, if we open the lungs and flat them, they have got so many foldings that if we just open it and flat it, then it can cover the entire area of tennis court. So you can imagine how many foldings it had. It's interesting information, I guess. Okay, the next we have the nervous system. Okay, here you can see a diagram. All these lines, these represents the nerves. Okay, these are present in all parts of the body, and as you can see, these are coming from the brain. As I have told you before, in the sense organs, the brain is directly involved. So the nervous system is basically the brain and the nerves. So the brain and the nerves form the nervous system. The nerves in the body receive signals from the sense organs and take message to the brain. As I have told you that in the sense organs there is a message system. So there must be something over there to receive that message and bring back the message or reply from the brain. So nerves do that part. They take the message from the sense organs, take those message to the brain, and then bring replies, and these used to take the message to all parts of the body. Okay, so this is called our nervous system. The last but not least, we have got excretory system. We have got a lots of materials in our body which are not good and which are useless. So we used to excrete them from the help of different organs. Through the excretory system, we are able to get rid of all the waste products of the body. Okay, so all the waste products in our body which are not useful, we have to excrete them out, and our excretory system does that for us. Okay, the lungs get rid of waste air, okay, the carbon dioxide which is not good for us, it breathe out. Okay, the kidneys get rid of urine. People used to do the urine. This is also a waste product, so it is done by the kidneys. And the skin gets rid of sweat. Sweat is also you can say the waste material, okay, that comes out of our skin and clean our blood. The last, concept check. These are many parts and system in our body. Okay, so the concept check is also present in your workbook. So when we will do the task of workbook, we will do it at that time. So dear students, you have been through the whole chapter. I hope that it will be interesting for you to know about your body. So next time we are going to do the task from our workbook. I hope you people have enjoyed your lecture. You must have to recall it and read it by your own. Inshallah, next time we will do the exercise. Till then, Allah Hafiz.